I think again, Boldt being very philanthropic, going back generations. Community is a big part of it, and obviously, if we're able to just have even a small piece of trying to help build it, but also we'll be active in helping, the growth and being an advocate of the program, like I said, because we'll be direct beneficiary of it, either indirectly or directly. So. Again, we hope to play a part in having our name on it and putting our hands on the wall when it's all said and done. But even if that's not the case, we'll play a small part even at that.
We're just happy to be part of the project and want to see it obviously follow through with the fundraising and get built as soon as possible so we can, contribute back to, the workforce development in this area and attract new and young, energetic people to this part of the state.